Let's look at the customization tools inside the new Leva viewer. The first feature is mirroring. The entire project can be flipped instantly, giving you a reversed version of the layout in just one step. Perfect for comparing orientation or adapting the design to your site. Next are color controls on selected meshes. Roof areas, interior floors, plasters, exterior surfaces. Each element can be recolored to test different materials and styles. It's a simple way to explore visual variations and find the look that fits your project. On the layer level, every mesh can be highlighted independently. This is especially useful for timber frame structures, where individual profiles inside the walls can be color separated to clearly show how the frame is built. These tools help you understand your project in detail and fine-tune your design before construction begins.